The given problem, the amount of money in the account at the end of each year when 10,000 rupees is deposited at compound interest 8% per annum. That is the problem here given. So the deposited amount A1 is equal to rupees 10,000. The compound interest R is equal to 8% per annum. So the time T is 1 year, and here this deposited amount is nothing but P. Now here the time will be taken as R. So that R means here n value we will take it. So that interest will be indicating with small r. Why? Because in compound interest. So compound interest to amount principal, the compound amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. That is the principal. Now in this principal, if we substitute the numbers, so after first year the amount becomes so that is nothing but A2. After first year means that is nothing but the second year only. So after first year the amount becomes A2 equal to P equal to 10,000 into 1 plus R 8 by 100 whole power 1. So whole power 1 means that is that number only. So 1 plus 8 by 100, if we do the LCM 100 1 ja 100 plus 8 equal to 108. So 10,000 into 108 by 100. So 2 zeros gets cancelled. 10 into 108, that is nothing but 10,800 rupees. So after first year the amount becomes 10,800 rupees. So after second year the amount becomes A3 is equal to 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100. So 2 years after. So here n value is equal to 2. That is 10,000 into, now 1 plus 8 by 100 is nothing but 100 by 100. So 100 by 100 whole square. Here power 2 there. That means 100 by 100 is multiplied 2 times. That means 10,800. So not 10,800. 10,000 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. 2 zeros and 2 zeros gets cancelled. That means 108 into 108, that is nothing but 11,664 rupees. So after second year that amount becomes 11,664 rupees. So this model if we can substitute, now the series is 10,000, 10,800, 11,664 and so on. Now in this, the first term A1 is equal to 10,000, second term A2 equal to 10,800, third term A3 equal to 11,664. Now here we find the common difference. If the common difference is equal, then it forms an AP. So the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to 10,800 minus 10,000, that is 800. 10,800 to 10,000 subtract, we get 800. Now the next subsequent two terms, that is A3 minus A2 doing 11,664 minus 10,800. Now here subtracting with 11,664 minus 10,800 is 864. Now here if we observe, the common difference is not equal. So now the given information does not support an AP. So here common difference is not same. So the given information not forms an AP. Given problem, write the first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So here A equal to 10, D equal to 10, that one given. Now we have to write the next four terms. So here A equal to 10, D equal to 10 given. So A2 is equal to, that is A plus D. So A is 10 and D is 10. So 10 plus 10 equal to 20. Now A3 is equal to, the second term to again D we have to add. So A2 plus D, that is the second term is 20. Now 20 plus 10, that is nothing but 30. Okay, now the fourth term A4 is equal to A3 plus D. The A3 term is 30 and the common difference 10. So 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. Now the fifth term A5 is equal to, now the fourth term to the common difference we adding A4 plus D, that equal to A4 is 40, 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. That means here we know that the preceding term to, if we add the common difference, then we get the next term. So that model we get the next four terms. If we follow the principal model, now if we observe, A2 is nothing but A plus D, that is 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now A3 is equal to, that is A plus 2D. So A equal to 10 plus 2 into D equal to 10. So 2 10 ja 20. So 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Now A4 is equal to, that is nothing but A plus 3D. A plus 3D. A equal to 10 and D is equal to also 10. So 3 10 ja 30. So 10 plus 30, that is equal to 40. Now A5 is equal to A plus 4D. So here A equal to 10 and D is also equal to 10. So 4 into 10. So 10 4s are 40. So 10 plus 40 is 50. Now here if we observed in any method we find, we get the same answer only. A2 equal to 20, A3 equal to 40, 30, A4 is equal to 40 and A5 is equal to 50. So whatever we have to follow method, in that easiest method we have to follow. For the second problem, if we observed A equal to minus 2 given, D equal to 2 given. So the first term is minus 2, the common difference is 0. Now we have to find the next 4 terms. So A2 equal to A plus D, that means minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2 plus 0 is nothing but minus 2. Next A3 is equal to A2 plus D. A2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus common difference is 0. So minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Now the A4, fourth term A4 is equal to A3 plus D. A3, the third term is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0, that is nothing but minus 2. Now the fifth term A5 is equal to A4 plus D. The fourth term is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0, that is nothing but minus 2. That means in that series all the terms of AP are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 only. Now the next problem given, A equal to 4 and D is minus 3. So the second term A2 equal to A plus D, that is 4 plus of minus 3. So 4 plus of minus 3. So plus into minus is nothing but minus. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Now the third term A3 equal to A2 plus D. A2 is 1 plus of minus 3. Already we said plus into minus is minus. So 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is nothing but minus 2. So the third term of AP is for this series is minus 2. Now the fourth term A4 is equal to A3 plus D. A3 is minus 2 plus of minus 3. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So the fourth term of AP is minus 5. Now the fifth term A5 is equal to A4 plus D. The fourth term is minus 5 plus of minus 3. Plus into minus is minus. So minus 5 minus 3. Then it becomes minus 8. So the 4 terms of the AP is 1, minus 2, minus 5, minus 8. Okay. Now the next problem is given, A equal to minus 1 and D equal to 1 by 2. We have to find the next 4 terms. So A2 is equal to A plus D, that is minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Now here we taking the 2 as LCM. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, that is nothing but minus 1. So it becomes minus 1 by 2. So the second term is minus 1 by 2. Now the third term A3 equal to A2 plus D. The second term A2 is minus 1 by 2 and the common difference is 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that means it becomes 0. Now the fourth term A4 is equal to A3 plus D. The third term A3 is 0 and the common difference is 1 by 2. So 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Now the fifth term A5 is equal to A4 plus D. The fourth term A4 is 1 by 2 and the common difference D is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here the denominators are equal, like fractions. So they are like fractions, direct we have to add the numerators or denominators. That means 1 plus 1, that is nothing but 2 by 2. 2 by 2 becomes 1. So 2 gets cancelled, means 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 only. So the 4 terms of the AP is minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2 and 1. And the next series is given. The first term A equal to minus 1.25 and the common difference D is minus 0.25. So the second term A2 equal to A plus D, that is minus 1.25 plus of minus 0.25. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 1.25 minus 0.25, then it becomes minus 1.50. So 1.25 to 0.25 odd means that is nothing but minus 1.5. Now the third term A3 is equal to A2 plus D. That second term is minus 1.5 plus of minus 0.25. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 1.5 minus 0.25. So minus 1.5 minus 0.25, then it becomes minus 1.75. Now the fourth term A4 is equal to A3 plus D. A3 equal to minus 1.75 plus of minus 0.25. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 1.75 minus 0.25, then it becomes minus 2.00. Now the fifth term A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is minus 2 plus of minus 0.25. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 2 minus 0.25. Now the addition of 2 and 0.25 is minus 2.25. Here the given problem is, for the following APs write the first term and the common difference. So here for that these APs we have to write the first term and the common difference. So the common difference is nothing but the difference between any two subsequent numbers, and the first given term is first term. So the first series 3 1 minus 1 minus 3. In that series the first term A1 is A is nothing but 3, and the second term A2 equal to 1. Now the common difference D is A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. So for that first problem, the first term A equal to 3 and the common difference is minus 2. For the second problem given minus 5 minus 1 3 7 up to so on. Here the first term A1 is equal to A is equal to minus 5, and the second term is minus 1. The common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that means minus 1 minus of minus 5. So minus of minus 5 is nothing but plus 5. So minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 4. So the common difference of this series is 4. Now the next problem given 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. In this series, what is the first term and what is the common difference? So here the first term A1 is equal to A equal to 1 by 3, and the second term A2 equal to 5 by 3. Now the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Now they are the like fractions. In like fractions directly we can add or subtract the numerators. That means now the numerators 5 and 2 subtract, then we get 4. So the common difference D equal to 4 by 3. Now the next problem given 0.6, 0.7 to 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 up to so on. Now in this series the first term A1 is equal to A equal to 0.6, and the second term A2 equal to 1.7. Then the common difference D is A2 minus A1, that is 1.7 minus 0.6, that is nothing but 1.1. So the common difference of this series 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 is 1.1. So in this model we can find the common difference of the given series. Here given the problem, which of the following are APs? If the form on AP, find the common difference D and write the next terms. That means the given series is follows AP, then find the common difference and next three terms we want to write. If it not forms AP means we can't write the next three terms. Okay, now the given problem 2, 4, 8, 16, so on the series. Now the series to the first term A1 is equal to 2, second term A2 equal to 4, and the third term A3 equal to 8, and the fourth term A4 equal to 16. Now here it forms AP or not means we have to find the common difference. So if the common difference is equal for every subsequent two numbers, then it forms AP. So D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now that is A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 is 8 minus 4 is 4. Now here the common difference is not equal. So the given problem does not forms AP. So here common difference is not same. So it not forms an AP. So it not forms an AP means next three terms we can't find. Now here given the next problem is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 up to so on. This series forms AP. Find common difference and the next three terms. So here the first term A1 is equal to A equal to 2, and the second term A2 equal to 5 by 2, third term A3 equal to 3, fourth term A4 is equal to 7 by 2. Now here the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to 5 by 2 minus 2. If we do the LCM is 2. So 2 2's 4. So 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Now A3 minus A2 finding. A3 minus A2 equal to, that is 3 minus 5 by 2. So here also LCM is 2. So 3 2's 6. 6 minus 5 is 1 by 2. So here also we get 1 by 2. Next A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3 to we observe, that is 7 by 2 minus 3. Here also the LCM is 2. So 2 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 by 2. Here also we get the common difference 1 by 2. So here in this all subsequent numbers the common difference is same. So it forms AP. So here common difference same. So it forms an AP. So it forms AP means we have to find next three terms. So here up to given fourth term. Now the fifth term A5 is equal to, A5 is nothing but A4 plus D. The A4 is 7 by 2 and the common difference is 1 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 8 by 2. Why? Because the denominators are equal. So they are like fractions. So direct adding the numerators. 7 plus 1 means 8. So 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. Next the A6, that is A5 plus D. A5 is 8 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 8 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is nothing but 9 by 2. Next A7, A7 is A6 plus D, A6 is 9 by 2 plus the common difference D is 1 by 2. Now 9 plus 1, that is 10 by 2, 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So the next 3 terms are 8 by 2, that is 4, 9 by 2 and 10 by 2, that is 5. So our to ask if AP formed next 3 terms, find. So we find the next 3 terms. Here the given series is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. So the first term A1 is equal to A equal to minus 1.2 and the second term A2 equal to minus 3.2, third term A3 equal to minus 5.2 and the fourth term A4 is equal to minus 7.2. Now the common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, that is minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. So minus into minus is nothing but plus. So minus 3.2 plus 1.2, that is equal to minus 2. Now that A3 minus A2, if we observe, minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. Here also minus into minus is plus. So minus 5.2 plus 3.2, that is minus 2. Now A4 minus A3 is equal to minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2. So minus into minus is plus. So minus 7.2 plus 5.2, that is equal to minus 2. So here the common difference is same, that is minus 2. So it forms an AP. So the common difference is same. So it forms an AP. So it forms AP. Our to ask to find the next 3 terms. Our to given up to the 4th term. Now the 5th term A5 is equal to A4 plus D. The A4 4th term is minus 7.2 plus D is minus 2. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 7.2 minus 2, that is nothing but minus 9.2. Now the A6 6th term is A5 plus D. A5 is minus 9.2 plus minus 2. Plus into minus is minus. So minus 9.2 minus 2, that is nothing but minus 11.2. Now the 7th term A7 equal to A6 plus D. The 6th term is minus 11.2 plus of minus 2. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 11.2 minus 2, that is nothing but minus 13.2.